Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today's video, we have a different setting here. We're in the bathroom and I'm going to be doing my current skincare routine. This is mainly like my nighttime skin routine because it is like 7 something at night. This skincare routine is mainly going to be talking about these Bioclarity products that I got in a VOXBOX from Influenster. So if you guys want to see my nighttime routine and see how these products work, then keep watching. Normally first I would be taking out my contacts, but for the sake of the video I'm going to leave those in and I'm just going to skip right to makeup removal. First I go in with the Pond's Cleansing Balm. Don't judge the appearance of mine, it's really gross. But if you've been with my channel for a while, you may know that I tried this out a while ago and I absolutely hated it. And I tried out a different cleansing balm and really liked it. So I gave this a try again, and I also heard that they changed the formula of it, so I actually kind of like it now again. So I'm taking my Spatty Daddy and I just put some on the back of my hand, and I'm looking in the mirror that's like to the side of you guys, and I'm just going to rub this everywhere, going lightly around the eyes, especially because I have my contacts in. Just like to really rub the cleanser on my face, really on the eyes, because that's like where most of my makeup is. I have mascara there, eyeshadow. Yeah, I don't really have too much face makeup on because it's too hot to do my face makeup. So once everything's all smooth and like ready, I just take some wet hands and just really like, see how it like lathers? Like lather it up in a weird way. Then once my face is wet, I go in with a makeup eraser. This is an erase your face. It's like the same thing. This is just like the cheaper version. I do have a real one and I just wipe everything off to the best of my ability. I just took a quick little shower cap intermission because I like to just take off all my makeup, especially around the hairline, make sure it's all good before I move on to the rest of my nighttime skincare routine. So really quick, I'm just going to wet my hands and really wet my face before I do my cleanser. For cleanser today, I'm using the Bioclarity cleanser. It's their Keeping It Clean cleanser and it has cucumber, green tea, and chamomile. So I just put that much on. It's like one little squirt into my fingers and just really rub this on my skin until I see it start to lather up. I feel like this does take like a second to get a good lather going, so you can probably tell on my cheeks I have a good lather. Next I'm taking my Duval Spin Care brush and I'm just going to use the exfoliating brush head to really just get all the dirt out of my face. So I'm just gonna go like this, turn it on, really scrub everywhere. I go over my face a couple of times. If you guys are interested in this Duval spin brush, I do have a review on my channel about it. I'll link that down below. And I do have a coupon code. I am not an affiliate or anything, but if you guys want to save, I think 70% off, I have a coupon code for you guys. That'll be linked on down below as well. Once I feel like this is all good, I'm just going to go in with a damp washcloth just to really rinse everything, not everything off, but most of it off, and then I'm going to hop in the shower. Alright, so I am out of the shower now, all clean. One thing that I forgot to mention is I do not exfoliate my face every day. I exfoliate every other day, so 3 to 4 times a week, and that might sound like a lot, but that is what my skin likes, so I do what my skin likes. The exfoliator that I've been really liking recently is the Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty Polishing Facial Exfoliant with pink grapefruit. I did exfoliate yesterday. Today is a mask day, so I'm going to show you guys that in a second. Another thing I want to mention is with these Bioclarity products, I noticed that my skin doesn't really like it when I use the toner along with it. But the toner that I have been using before I was using this Bioclarity line is the Neutrogena alcohol-free toner. I just haven't been using this for the past week ever since I started using these Bioclarity products, and my skin has just been reacting better. I noticed that my skin didn't really like it with this, so that's just why I stopped using it. Once I finish these Bioclarity products, I'll probably fit this back into my routine, and I'll show you guys a routine with me using this. So the mask that I'm going to be using today is this I Do Care Cake My Day Hydrating Sprinkle Wash Off Mask. I got these minis from Ulta. It was like 3 for $20, and these like little mini sizes. They're literally 10 grams or 0.35 ounces. This is the lid. I think the lid is just so cute. And then this is what the inside of it looks like. I have not used this one yet. I used the Matcha Mood one, and I really did enjoy that. I'm going to do a whole review on these little minis once I use them all. But I'm just going to apply this with a e.l.f. foundation brush. This is just the $1 brush. You can literally get it from Walmart, Target, CVS, their website. And I just really like this to apply masks with. So I'm just going to apply this to a nice, clean, dry face. I'm going to leave this mask on for 10 minutes, and I will be right back to wash it off and finish up my skincare routine. It is 10 minutes later, so I'm just taking a damp washcloth just to rinse off the mask. I also just dried off my face really good, because I noticed with these Bioclarity products, if your face is not completely dry, your skin kind of feels weird, like it burns a little bit. So I just dried my face off really well. Next, I'm going in with the Bioclarity Restore Power of Green Floralux. I just pump one pump, looks like this. If you've ever used the Exfoliate from Kate Somerville, it's the same color. So I just really rub this on my skin. This helps reduce the redness in your skin, I've noticed. Probably because it is green, and green does cancel out red. So I just put this all over my face. And then the last product that I use is the Bioclarity Hydrate Skin Smoothie, and this has the Floralux, argan, and olive in it. And I just put about like a pea size in my hands, and just rub my hands together and rub it all over. I'm also going to go in with an eye cream because my eyes have been super dry, like my under eye area. It's really weird. And I'm going to use the Skin to You Eye Cream for eye cream. I just do one pump, and that's just good for both eyes. And I like to just use my finger to rub this in, because the ball has like this nice like rolly ball, as you guys can see. I don't know, sometimes like the product gets into my eye with that rolly ball, so I don't like to use it. So I just gently use my finger. And that is my nighttime skincare routine. And that is it for my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.